Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to share Google Search Console access. In this video, we will be taking a step-by-step approach on how to share Google Search Console access. So for that, first of all, we need to open our Google Search Console account with the required email address. And if you don't know how to create a Google Search Console account, you can check out our previous video on how to create account on Google Search Console. So now let's go to our Google Search Console dashboard. So this is our Google Search Console dashboard, and in this side menu you need to scroll a little bit down and click on that settings option. Now click on users and permission, and then you need to click on the button which refers to add user. Click on that, and here it is asking for your email address. So write your email address here. Okay, now this is our email address, and now we need to decide about the permission. Like, we want to give a full access to our user, or we want to give a full access and we want to restrict that particular email address from this account. Okay, now we want to give a full access to the person. Click on the full and click on add. Now you will be able to see that our user is added. If it's not showing here, you need to wait for some time, and still if it doesn't show, then you need to refresh our page, then you will be see the email address here. Now the difference between the owner and the full permission user is that the owner will have the full access to this account, and the user which have full permission will have some option restricted, like this user and permission. He can't assign permission to someone else. Now let's go to the another account and check whether we get the access or not. So here is our second account. Now here you can see the property that we just shared, that is brtechworld.com, and here you can see we are successfully assigned to this property. Okay, now here we are done. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions and feedback, if you have any question or feedback, please leave them below in comment sections, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.